everyone, it's Laurel with CP Laurel Emporium. Welcome back to my channel. I just got my schedule for my work and like 7 o'clock tonight, and I have to work at 11 tomorrow, and then I work for 6 days. 11 to 6 and then 10 to, no, 11 to 5, then 10 to 6, and I thought it was supposed to be a part-time job. Anyways, what I got here is two, is there a right way and a wrong way to that? Yes. I better make sure I got it the right way up. Journal covers, notebook covers, whatever. So this is, that's not going to be the same color. This is cardstock with a paper napkin, Mod Podged. Same with this. They are just slightly under 5 by 5. I don't know if I have any more of that paper, and I think I need to get, I was going to use this and this paper. This is card for these because I have those, but that's going to be the wrong color and that's the wrong color. So hang on a sec till I see what I've got though. I should have more of that color, I hope. Otherwise, I'm going to have to do something a little bit more creative. Yeah. I think I got more of that yellow. I don't know if I have any more of that. I don't think I have any more of that green. So, is that going to be an issue? No, I don't think I have any more of that green. So, I think that's going to be fine. I will, oh, I might have one sheet here. Okay, that's, yeah, I got one sheet. I got one sheet of the green. I think this is the same yellow. No. It'll do. And this is the same green. Yeah, but I only got one of these. But this is 8.5 by 11. Oh. So I can get one this way. And then a smaller one. And then I am going to use some of these. Because I also have white paper here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5. So this is 8.5 by 14. This is that what do they call it? Legal paper. So okay. And this here is this gonna be even, is this even gonna work? Okay. So this one here, this will go, that'll work. And then I said I had to go this way. So this one here, I'll cut at 5. I'll cut that at 5 because that will give me two out of that. And if they're not the same size, that's totally fine. And what I'm gonna, because they're flowers, I'm gonna round corners and do different things like that. I am going to, I will be, what's the word? Oh, they're just going to be flowers, ephemera in them. That's That's what I was looking for. Sorry. So this needs to be just under 4, just under 5. So that's under 5 as well. Get this trimmer. I need to so when you're making journals, notebooks, notepads, whatever you want, the pages don't have to be exact. You'll see that'll work. And this one, this is 8.5. So 8.5 is 1 1/4. So if I cut this at 4 1/4. Will that be weird? Okay, let me just trim these two. I just need them slightly under 5. I might have to sneeze. It's very smoky here today. It's not too bad now, but it's been very bad and windy. I've got my I put my hose out. Yeah, it's very windy out and very smoky. Okay, so this one here is these two are too long. Okay, so what do we got here? This one. This one. I'm going to put this in the inside cover. This one. This one. And yeah, I know I have to. So this is going to have, these are going to be more notebooks. So they're not going to have, like I'm not going to turn any papers into pockets. But there will be pockets in it. What am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing. I might have messed these 2 pages up. Sorry about the banging from the cutter. This one needs to be under 5. I thought I already did that. Possibly because it's in the center. Okay. That one is going to have to get trimmed again. How many pages do I have? So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't know why I have to trim this one so short. And I'm going to staple this booklet closed. Okay, so that other one's going to have to get. So, see, they're, yeah, I like them. I'm going to add some more paper, white paper. I will probably just put 10 pages. Oh, I'm having a hard time thinking. So this here, so I need it to be under 10 inches. So that would be right there. I'm a little bit quiet today. I've had a headache all day today, so I do apologize. Yeah, it's just from the smoke. What size is this? This is 8.5, so. There we go. Is that going to fit in there? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Well, it's going to have 11 pages. That's fine. That is fine. I do have to trim that a little bit still. And this one, well, these are not, these are 11, right? 11. I'll just trim this off. This is card. And then, well, I did not do that straight at all. Not even a little bit. So this is 8.5, so 4 1/4. I wonder if my blade on that is getting dull. Okay, so this is that's not even close to being, but that's okay. I'll have to trim it. And then there is this page, which is 9 by 6.5. We'll use 2 of those. I'm going to use 2 of those because this one here is card and it's a little bit heavy. So this needs to be under 5. Yeah, I know why, because that's a dumb mistake. So what I did was I'm doing this thinking it's the width. It's not. Which, that's fine. That is fine. Boy, this card is really, really tough. I don't know what weight it is. Okay, is that going to work? Okay, that's going to work. These are going to work. I think. Come on. Might have to trim that slightly, but that's good. These will be good for collage pieces. Collage. And then 2 of these. So I need to bring them under 5. Trim this off. And then this needs to be, this is 8.5, right? Yep, so 4 1/4, just under, 4 1/4 is half. Okay, so that gives me 4 pieces. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I need at least 1 more. So the one that's the card, the thicker one, I'll probably put, you know, a pocket or a tuck spot or something there. This one will go, okay. I don't know, my measuring is just so bad. I don't even understand it. So this one I'm just going to fold in half. Then I'm going to cut it this way because this will be just under 5. No, 4 1/4. These 2 sides should be just under 5. Let's see if I got those ones right. I don't even get it, but whatever. It's just fine. I'll just trim them. I don't know why my measuring is so off. We'll just not measure and we'll just do it this way because I don't have a clue. It's okay. It is okay. I don't know if this cutter is going to go through all that paper. I have my doubts. Nope. Not even close. It did it. It didn't like it, but it did. It's not going to like this one either. Sorry about that. Bang. Okay. They are in there. And okay, and then this one, I might have to sneeze. Like I said, I'm sorry, it's just very smoky here. Very smoky. Another town was evacuated today. Yeah. Please send us rain. We desperately need rain. Lots of it for days. Okay. I think that is going to do it. Now we'll see if I can get this right. Yeah. So this is just one of those wide mouth, whatever you want to call them, staplers. You know, this one here, these two yellow ones could use a trim, just a slight trim. Because they were just a tiny bit too tall. Oh, come on. I'm sorry if I'm just bumbling my way through here. It's just been one of those kind of days. Put that away so I don't cut myself. So I'll just put a big paper clip on because I need to get 2 staples in here. That's not bad. Not bad. Okay, I can trim that, so that's done. Put this a little bit straighter. Okay, that is done. Now, fold this over. This one is gonna maybe, no, this one. This one, the cover is gonna get trimmed a little bit, I think. I also want to round the corners. So I think what I'm gonna do is round the corners first. I may have to round the corners on the paper too. Yeah, I'm going to have to. On those. Just because those ones show. Yeah, that's better. See, they're all. And it's okay that some inside are not. That's fine. I'm good with it. And the yellow one. Maybe I won't trim this one. I don't know. Well, you know what I should have done? I should have gone around it with the sewing machine. Oh, well, I didn't. It's not going to happen now. Okay. There. So we have two little notebook type journals. I need to make some kind of something on the front. But I don't want it to take up the whole cover. Because, I mean, I don't want to lose that. I don't want to lose the napkin. So this is just one of my, this is the first cluster book I ever made. It's gone apart yet. I've used quite a bit out of it. That's the first cluster book. This is my second one. My second one is actually, I finished it the other day. I needed some solitude time. And then this is going to be my third one. I haven't started yet. I just put it together. So. Okay, do I have anything in here that might? And as you can see, I've been using it, and I hadn't even had it finished, and I was using it. You know, as with everything, I don't know if she's going to work there or not. As with everything, you have all this stuff and you still don't have the right thing, right? And then I have this little bin of clusters that were not in the book, or that I tore out and didn't use. All kind of flowers. Okay, well, oh, she might go in there. Anyways, I don't know which one I'm going to use on the front. I don't know if I'm going to use this. I have some of these little doilies. Oh, I don't like that when they stick like this. Needs trimming. Kind of in a hurry. I need to go out and move my hose. I don't know if I have any more of those napkins. The ones that I used here. Yeah. I'm going to have to make a topper for these. So, anyways, I'm going to leave it at that until I think about what kind of a topper. But at least I have the journals, notebooks, whatever, mostly put together. I need to trim a little bit on the covers and decide what might go in each, as well as a topper. So anyways, thank you very much for joining me. I'm sorry if I was a little bit sort of discombobulated today. Please give me a like, comment below, watch videos beginning to end, and subscribe, hit the bell to get notified when I have new videos coming out. All of that helps YouTube recommend my channel. Anyways, thank you so much again. I hope you're all having a good day. My dog is calling me now. She needs to go outside, so I better run. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.